It's been more than 2 weeks since protests erupted in downtown calling for justice for Breonna Taylor, who was shot and killed in her apartment during a no-knock warrant carried out by Louisville Metro Police in March. Since then, there has been much conversation about the changes to police departments and specifically no-knock warrants. LEX 18's Claire Kopsky brings us the latest on the fallout.
It's been an agonizing few months for Breonna Taylor's family.
Breonna was not involved in any drug activity, so they had no reason to be at her apartment that night.
Somebody kicked in the door inside my girlfriend.
Louisville police officers who were dressed in plain clothes entered Breonna's apartment using a no-knock warrant that led to her being shot and killed. Mayor Greg Fisher temporarily suspended no-knock warrants on Friday, May 29th. Last night, another big step as the Louisville Metro Council of 26 members unanimously passed a measure called Breonna's Law, banning no-knock warrants in the city. Crowds of protesters cheered as the announcement was made outside the council meeting.
I knew she was destined for greatness. She's showing it.
The Taylor family's attorney, Ben Crump, called the move a first step in changes that need to be made.
Now that everybody knows her name, it does bring comfort because we're no longer fighting this alone. It's everybody's fighting for her.
That fight now has tangible legs on the federal level as just yesterday, Kentucky Senator Rand Paul introduced the Justice for Breonna Taylor Act to prohibit the no-knock warrants across the U.S., meaning agencies with funding from the Department of Justice would have to provide notice of their authority and purpose before they could execute a warrant. For Breonna's mother, it's progress, but it doesn't take away the hole in her heart.
It just never stops, but it's those moments when it's quiet, it becomes extremely loud in my head, and I just never imagined life without her.
In Louisville, Claire Kopsky, LEX 18 News.